Hi everybody! Before starting today's video, I would like to announce that this video will come out in two versions. The first in English and the second in Italian. Today we'll talk about the Italian Army Esercito Italiano side of the new Documento Programmatico Pluriennale, DPP. 343 million euro over 14 years have been allocated for the mid-life update of the repair line of UAV. 16.8 million euro for the LUH light utility helicopter AW169M for the Army and 10 million euro for the SIM helicopter for the Carabinieri. 54.5 million euro are allocated for the new recon and escort helicopter AW249. 110 million are for the Freccia AMV. This sum will be partially used also for the development of the Freccia EVO. Here we can find 23.8 million euro for the Spike anti-tank missiles and 6.3 million to test the active protection system Iron Fist on the Freccia EVO. The total requirement for 150 Centaur 2 grew from 1.5 billion to 2 billion euro. The mid-life update of the Ariete MBT gets 33.7 million euro. The VTLM Lynch 2 gets 22.9 millions. The DPP gave the start to the partnership in development of the Ground Multiple Launch Rocket System Extended Range for the MLRS. We find also the start of the development of the Kronos HP radar to replace the Arabelle to be fielded together with the SAMP-T and the acquisition of the MBDA Aster 30 B1NT missile.